Gee, that is fast. That is fast. Oh, mayday, mayday, mayday. Oh, gee. So we've got the dirt bike back now, and this is the first drive of me starting our first time riding a bike, and I've never ridden a bike before. This is going to be a test run for myself. I got no gear, I'm going to get the helmet and everything like that, but like I said, it's just a little test run. Everybody recommended me, and the bikes recommended to try on gravel or grass, and we got gravel today, and just practice and then see how the bike runs and just get the feel of it. So it's my first time now ever riding a dirt bike. So we're going to start you up now. Hopefully it starts up. He said start you up, 30 seconds of the choke, turn it off, and we're good to go. So let's do this. Yikes! Oh, it's fast! Yikes! This is fast! Yikes! Yikes! This is crazy, guys! Whoa! Whoa! Yikes! The brakes are rubbish. Yikes! Whoa! Whoa! Yikes! This is crazy! Guys, I'm loving this! Oh my god! Whoa! Alright. The brakes are pretty weak on this. Oh man, that was crazy! The petrol ran out! Okay, alright, baby to the almighty, that was an absolute wow, I'm speechless. Lost, shall I say? Success of first time driving. I didn't want to change the gear, to be honest. I was just getting used to it, but the brakes are horrible in this. Is that how it's supposed to look? I don't even know. Praise be to the almighty. We never crashed, we never died. We had a nice drive, and the petrol ran out. We really wanted to carry on. We wanted to change gears and get used to it, but that was nice. So we've mixed the petrol, 5 litres of V-Power and 125 ml of 2-stroke oil. So let's get this in there. Lovely fuel. Okay. Sounds crazy. Bismillah. All right, let's go. All right. Whoa! Gee, that is fast. That is fast. Whoa, where am I going? Where am I going? Jeez. Yeah! Yeah, man! This is so cool! This is madness, this is! That was madness. I can't explain to you guys that how scary this thing is. And it's not even about scary, like I know I was bricking it a lot of the times, but like it's so surreal of how fast this thing is. And like the craziest thing is that just a little bit of throttle on my first gear and this thing just goes, man, it just flies. Like you can see some of the marks. Like, I was just going, wow! I know in the video it's gonna look so slow, but in my mind it felt like I was like, whoa, what the hell am I going? But wow, like, oh man, praise be to the Almighty. You know, shout out to everybody supporting. So I'm gonna take it easy, get used to it, step by step practice. I need a bit more space because that was dangerous what I was doing there. I need like an open field and stuff to practice in the gears and stuff. But this is crazy. So I'm looking forward to practicing more, but let's get straight back into it. Let's go. Let's change gears, yeah? I'm on second gear. This is absolutely mad, man. Second gear. Mad! Third gear now. Whoa, the back brake's just locked. I managed to change gears from second to third. That's all I got to because there's not enough space. The front tyre pressure is quite low, to be honest, so I'm like skidding a bit from the front wheel, but the back is alright. But boy, does it feel good to ride this. Keep practicing that gear shifting. It's so weird to change gears on a bike. It's just to get that thing to go up, you honestly don't know what gear you're in. That's what it feels like. That front wheel spins, man. That wheel spin there. Wow. Wow, wow, come on, man. Alright, let's go into third gear. You can see that it wants to stall right now, third gear. The throttles is not as responsive. Alright, we're going to drop it down in second gear. Boom, second gear. Hold on, first gear, wait. Neutral, bang. Oh, neutral, neutral, mayday, mayday, mayday. Boom. There we go. First gear. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, jeez. This is just so crazy, man. I love it. Yeah. and there we go. That's it. I'll put it in neutral. It should be neutral. Oh no, it's not. First gear. Oh, neutral. It should be neutral. Down, 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 down. That's first gear. One up, neutral. Okay, that should be neutral now. There we go. Yeah, I don't know, something's wrong with the transmission, and honestly, like, I put it down, and first it struggles, and to get back into neutral it struggles. So apart from that, from first gear to second to third, it's pretty easy. But gosh, guys, I love this, man. I love this bike. This is like the best thing ever. But I can't explain it, man. I can't really explain it, but you know, I'm just gonna keep practicing, and the next thing I want to do is just get a massive field, because this is just not big enough. You know, it just wheel spinning like crazy. You need to pull the front tire, but that's it. But hopefully when we get it ready, and that's it. But guys, drop a comment down below, tell me what you think. What should I do? Luckily I figured out the back brakes, and the back brakes works pretty fine. But apart from that, it's just so sick. Someone said try it on grass first before I hurt myself, and I know exactly what you mean by hurting yourself. Like, it's just crazy. Just really appreciate it, man. I really appreciate your help and your support on the channel, and just upwards and onwards. I'm just loving the hashtag bike life. It's just the best thing ever. I can't believe I never done this earlier in life. I'm missing out. But the adrenaline rush that you get in this is way better than a car. Like literally, like don't get me wrong, like cars are fun, but the bike is a completely different element. But it is what it is. But anyway, may the Almighty put peace and blessings upon each and every one of you and your family, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.